Hey guys, what's happening? Hope you are all having a great day. And today I'm going to show you 100% legit, and I promise on that, way to get free Robux. But it's not essentially free. You do have to do tasks for games, in games, to get the Robux. But how you do that is really simple. You have to install this app called Blocks, and it's, again, right here. That's what it looks like. You can get it on Play Store. I don't know if you can get it for Apple, but I do know you can get it on the Play Store for Android. So yeah. So you go to this, and if you guys want to get more Robux from me giving giveaways, then I will do that. And what you have to do is enter this code if you get the app, and once you start earning Robux, I will start earning Robux, if that makes sense, so I can give it back to the community, as in you guys. And yeah. So these are the ways to make Robux. So Tap Joy is my favorite. Gem is where I don't know that one, but Tap Joy is my favorite. So what it does is, as it loads, it'll give you games that you can get rewards for. So those red ruby things you can get in exchange for Robux, which I'll show you later. And you can just pick the game you want. It's really easy. And then it'll take you to a link to download the game. Yeah. So that's that. So here's where you exchange the points. Now, to show you it's 100% legit, you would have to join the group to get the Robux. And that's how you know other things are fake, unless it's by Roblox. If you can't join the group, then it's fake, like a generator or something. So let's just say I want 10 Robux, which 10 is obviously the best, because for the more than the price of 2, you could get 10 instead. It's way easier to save up for anyways, so just do it. So what you do is you Robux, and it does not ask for the password, so it says not enough points. But what would happen is you put in your Roblox username, you have to join the group, and then you withdraw your Robux for how many points? 1,000 points. And up here it shows you the people who else have done it. And yeah, it's basically this app. Bye.